Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1, Numbers and Numerations. Today we will cover the three topics: successor and predecessor, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order. Successor. The number that comes just after a number is called the successor, meaning successor of a given number is one more than the given number. We learn how to find the successor of a number. The successor of a number is the number obtained by adding 1 to it. Clearly, successor of 0 is 0 plus 1, 1. Successor of 1 is 1 plus 1, 2. Successor of 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. Here the number 399, if we add 1 to the number, we get 400. That is nothing but the successor of the given number 399. Let's take the another example. 499. If we add 1 to the number, we get 500. That is nothing but the successor of the number 499. For example, what is the successor of 68299? 68299 plus 1, we get 68300. Next example, what is the successor of 47810? 47810 plus 1, 47811. Next, what is the successor of 17289? 17289 plus 1 is equals to 17290. Next, what is the successor of 99098? 99098 plus 1, 99099. Today we learned successor of 5-digit number. Predecessor. Predecessor, the number that comes just before a number, is called the predecessor, meaning predecessor of a given number is one less than the given number. Let's learn how to find the predecessor of a number. The predecessor of a number is the number obtained by subtracting 1 to it. Clearly, predecessor of 10 is 10 minus 1, 9. Predecessor of 1 is 1 minus 1, 0. Predecessor of 2 is 2 minus 1, It is 1. Here see the number 10. We subtract 1 from the number 10. We get 9. That is nothing but the predecessor of the given number. For example, what is the predecessor of 78299? 78299 minus 1, 78298. What is the predecessor of 47840? 47840 minus 1, 47839. What is the predecessor of 17210? 17210 minus 1, 17209. Next, what is the predecessor of 99098? 99098 minus 1, 99097. Today we learn predecessor of 5-digit number. Today we will learn predecessor of 5-digit number. Now we will learn comparison of numbers. We read rules. Rule number 1. We know that a number with more digits is always greater than the number with less number of digits. Here, see in this image, number is 85. Here the number is 185. The 2-digit number, here 3-digit number. 3-digit number is greater than the 2-digit number. The next image, you see how many digits in this number? It is 4. And here, how many digits? 3 in this number. 4 digits number is greater than the 3-digit number. A number having more digits is greater than the number having less digits. Rule number 2. When the two numbers have the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from leftmost place until we come across unequal digits. We learn more about the incoming slide. Rule number 1. We know that a number with more digits is always greater than the number with less number of digits. In example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 9, 9, 9, 9. Why so? In this number, how many digits? 5 digits. In this number, how many digits? 4 digits. 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number. So 2546, sorry, So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 9999. In next example, you see how many digits in this number? 4 digits. And in this number, how many digits? 3 digits. 4 digit number is greater than 3 digit number. So 2546 is greater than 786. Rule number 2. When the two numbers have the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from leftmost place until we come across unequal digit. Let's see example. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is greater than 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. How? In this number, you count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this number, also count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the numbers have 5-digit number. Now, from leftmost place, we compare. In this number, the greatest place, that is 10,000, and the digit is 2. Here also the greatest place, the digit is 2. That is same in both the number. Then we go to the next, that the digit is 3. Here is also 3. Both are the same. Then next 4. Here also 4. Both the digits are same. Then next 5. Here also 5. Both the digits are same. The next 6 and the digit 1. Now which is greater, 6 or 1? We compare. Then 6 is greater than 1. So number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is greater than 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. The next example, 2, 5, 4, 6 is greater than 2, 5, 3, 1. Now compare both the number, this digit. Both are the same. Then the next number, both are the same. Then next 4 and here the digit 3. So which digit is more? 4 is more than 3. So this number is greater than this number. Now let's learn ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. For example, here see 213, 230, 230, 245, 277, 291. This order is ascending order. The next example, 1, 5, 6, 3, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 7, 5, 1, 5, 8, 5. Now comes to descending order. Descending means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Here in this picture we see 291, 277, 245, 230, 213. The order is descending order. First, see the biggest number, then the lowest, then lowest, lowest, lowest. Classwork is to be done in book. Activity 5, page number 18 and 19, all questions, question number 1 to question number 6. Homework to be done in notebook. Activity 5, page number 18 and 19, question number 1, A, C, E, G part, question number 2, A, C, E part, question number 3, A, C, E part, in question number 5, A part, in question number 6, A part. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now, again we will meet in next class.